also there is another function called distinct. Okay, so let me quickly show you. Let's click on this values example and I'll show you. Distinct, I'm just replacing this values with distinct. You can see there's no difference, the values are same. The only difference between distinct and the values is values will pick up an empty, like, you know, if there is a null value, there is a blank value in there, the blank will be shown in the values. So this basically values will pick up whenever there is a blank value, that value will be shown in the values. When you use distinct, that blank value is not shown. That is the only difference between the values and the distinct. Both are the table functions.